I got a package today, very late, from a company called Honmengwil KFT. That's from Hungary, but and here's the address. But the funny thing about this is that on the seller's website, on the marketplace, it specifies a Chinese bank as their primary bank. So this is most likely a Chinese company with Europe presence, European presence. So yeah, let's see what they sent in 10 days. I think it was 10 days. And the tracking was really interesting. For the whole duration, for 10 days, it was in Budapest, so in Hungary. It said in transit, Budapest. Again in transit, Budapest. Guess what? Again, transit, Budapest. And that was kind of silly. It was an error, or I don't know. It was just sitting around in a van in Hungary. I don't know. So let's see what they sent. This is not a trash bag. It's one of those foils that stick to the package, the non-transparent kind. So let's see. I would just tear it. Come on. Yeah, there's a box inside. That's good. That's good. It's from the famous company called iLike. I recently saw that they also have phones, so again, not specified which color it is, but yeah. So the importer is from Hungary. Akai AK80D. That's a company I used to see all over the place. I don't know, made in China. So it's blue, yeah. And let's see what it says it has. 4-watt speaker, so not 3, 4. What is this? Free speech, hands-free. Free speech from China. That's funny. 3.5 millimeter jack, micro SD. Oh, I forgot about that. So it has an MP3 player. USB, micro USB. The USB is probably for charging external devices and also for music. I like BSP. I really like BSP-2580. Okay, what else is there? Some information here. Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth. What? Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth. 2.1 EDR. 3.5 millimeter, support micro SD card, output power. 2 times 4 watts. So that's 8, if my math is correct. Built-in rechargeable battery. Bluetooth hangsoro. Oh, this is in Hungarian, the same thing. So yeah, 2 important things, the battery and the output power. That's kind of nice if it's actually true. Its price was like $5, $6. $6. So let's see, what did we get for $6? Let's break the seal. I don't know if I plan to return this, but for now, let's unbox it and probably tear it down. Yeah. Come on. Why is this always so hard? Yeah, I do the ignorant thing here. I don't care. Sometimes I just want to use force. And yeah, this is how you're supposed to open it. And the box is kind of dumb, but oh boy, this is quite heavy. It has like 400 grams at least. And we get an audio cable, micro USB charging cable, a strap. What is this for? Does it have a place to put it? No. So it's funny. It doesn't have a... Oh, something here. This is rubbery. And here are the micro SD card slot, audio, USB, and power on off. And on the other side, oh, this is just silicone legs and nothing else. So it has no USB. It has a dent here. The grill doesn't come out all the way. And here, what's here? Oh, this is for the strap. That's quite interesting. It's made of metal. Okay, and here are the 3 buttons, 2 indicators, or 1 indicator and the microphone, probably. Okay, so let's see if it starts. Yeah, no. It's completely dead. So let's try to charge it first. Just a little. Come on. Like that. Man, this cable is really thin, so this must be just for charging and not very fast. So let's charge it from a power bank. Plug it in. And it's on, so yeah, I have to start the power bank. This is one of those stupid power banks. Yeah, it should sound something because I turned it on. Or it doesn't want to turn on yet. It should tell us something. Or I turn it off and on again. Nope, nothing. So this seems to be dead. So yeah, I think I have to stop the video. We passed the 8-minute mark, so this video one day will be monetized nice and what do you call it? Nice, just nice. So yeah, this may be defective, and I don't know how to open it to try to fix it, but yeah, it's charging, and let's see. Nothing. Let's try a micro SD card with music. I happen to have one right here. So how does this go in? Like this. You have to press it with your nail or something. Yeah, it clicked in. And it's off. Turn it on. Nothing. Well, that's nice. So yeah, the kind of disappointing end to the video. Maybe I'll do a teardown. I think I'll do a teardown. But for now, this is garbage. Relatively cheap, but yeah, the first contact with this thing. Maybe try, but it didn't turn on. Should we try the audio cable? Let's try that. Let's get the card out and put in just the cable. Yeah, into random phone. And start something up from no copyright sounds, NCS. Yup, no sound at all. Already the ads are started and there's nothing. The volume is up here. Oh, I didn't turn it on. It's on. So let's turn it off and on again. Nothing. Okay. That's interesting. So, yeah, maybe I'll tear it down in another video or just show you after I tore it down because I don't want to damage it. Yeah. So, in theory, this has many good features. In theory. But if it doesn't work, then what good is it? So, yeah. See you in the next video.